At TOH, we're not just innovators, we're pioneers in transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary workplaces. Introducing our bespoke Warehouse 123 system, the ultimate three-step solution that systematically turns any empty space into a highly efficient, operational warehouse. Our journey begins with step 1. Here, we engage directly with you to meticulously plan and set up your storage racking systems. Our expert consultants are on hand to maximize your space utilization, draft detailed sketches, and ensure that the installation of tailored pallet racking layouts meet your exact needs. Moving to step 2, we focus on selecting the ideal warehouse equipment. Our specialists provide personalized advice, helping you choose the perfect equipment to handle your specific types of cargo. This ensures seamless integration with your setup for ultimate efficiency. In the final phase, step 3, we bring everything together with essential tools, accessories, and equipment necessary for daily operations. From hand trucks and asset protectors to versatile workbenches and cage trolleys, we equip you to handle the day-to-day with ease. At TOH, our Warehouse 123 isn't just about selling products. It's about crafting tailored, high-performance work environments that elevate your business operations. Let us help you elevate your workspace. Discover the power of efficiency and innovation with TOH's Warehouse 123 system. Transform your warehouse, enhance your productivity, and achieve operational excellence today. Visit us online or give us a call to start your transformation journey with TOH, where innovation meets efficiency.